In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your earning if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're promoting your own product, your own service, even if you're doing master results right. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your earning if you have your own product, your own service, or if you're doing affiliate marketing. Chances are that right now, there are two scenarios. Number one, you are earning no money. Number two, you are earning money, but it's not something like life changing. Maybe it's a little bit extra, but it's not something that you are going to be using to replace your full-time job, limit your times, your terms, and all this stuff. So let me show you here everything because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. Okay. So how you are going to be increasing your earnings? There is a couple of things that you need to understand. Okay. Because we want to earn not only a couple of dollars online, but we want to earn, life changing money. Okay. We want to earn life changing money. And you need to understand this concept, which is the LTV, the lifetime value of the customer. Okay, you need to understand this, the lifetime value of the customer. This is actually how big companies and people who are really crushing it online are doing it. Okay, they understand that this is not a one-time sale. Okay, most newbies are like, okay, we have a sales page here, and most news are like this. Okay, I'm going to be sending traffic, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. This can be paid or free traffic. And they're like, yeah, if someone purchase, I'm happy. But if someone didn't purchase, I'm sad. So, and the thing with this is that, hey, chances are that you're selling a $10 product. Chances are that you're selling even a $97 product. Okay. It is okay to get started, but there is a strategy besides this. And also, if you're promoting affiliate marketing products with Amazon, for example, Amazon is going to pay you just for the very first sale. If they keep, and trust me, they keep doing this. They keep sending messages to the person who already purchased, and you're not going to be earning money on that. Okay. So you need to understand that there is a lifetime value. Okay. And it's not just one sale. Okay. You need to understand that this is a business. As in a business, you need to know the lifetime value of your customer. Again, it doesn't matter if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you have your own product, your own service, or if you're doing both. Okay. So what else you need to take into consideration? The fact that you need to have different products and services. Okay. Not just one product, as I showed you before. Okay. But you need to have different products and services. And you need to do this in a strategic way. You need to create, okay, what we call a capture page in which you're going to provide, or you're going to be asking people like, hey, in exchange of this freebie, okay, please let me know what's your name and your email address. There are people out there who are just asking for email. That's okay. I actually prefer to know the person name and email so I can personalize more the message. And by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below in the description so you can learn more about this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. Okay, so now we know that we have this capture page in which we're asking people their name, their email, right? If you're an affiliate, you're going to have something that we call a bridge page in which you're going to be introducing that person product, okay? And we are going to be sending the freebie via email, okay? We're going to be sending it via email, and we're going to be sending more emails with different products, okay? This can be what we call low ticket products, which is, it can be something between maybe $97, okay? It can be a mid-ticket product. Maybe you have one that is $4.97 to $9.97. Okay, maybe you have a high-ticket product which is $2,000, and chances are that right now you're like, who is gonna purchase a $2,000 product from me? Okay, someone who knows you, who likes you, and who trusts you, and that's the reason why you need to capture people's emails so you can create a relationship with them. You need to provide them value. You need to be sending them information. And of course, there are people who are going to have the willingness to purchase these products. Okay. It's like there are people out there who are looking to buy a penthouse. Chances are that right now you don't want a penthouse. Okay. But this person who's looking to purchase a penthouse, they're not going to purchase 100 apartments or 100,000 apartment. Okay. No. Okay. They need a penthouse. There is a reason why they want it. So this is actually the same. Okay. So I want you guys to take that into consideration. Okay. Even you can have a $10,000 product. If you are an affiliate marketer, you don't need to create these products. Okay. You just promote them. That's it. Okay. You just promote it. If you have your own product and your service, and chances are that maybe you are here, okay, you need to understand that you need to have your entire ecosystem with different things, okay? That's what you need. You need to have an entire ecosystem with different products, okay? This can be, for example, a mastermind, okay? Chances are that you're going to meet with your students in a mastermind, or maybe they're not your students. Maybe they are, part of the community and you're organizing a mastermind, okay? So this is how you're going to be, earning good money. Of course, like with a penthouse, not everybody needs a penthouse or want a penthouse or is able to afford a penthouse. But this is life-changing money because if your commission is 1K, okay, or if your commission is 5K, you get three of this is 3,000. You get three of this is 15,000. Okay, we're talking about way more money than if you are just focused, for example, on the low ticket products. And there is another one which is recurring. Okay, what does that mean? That you refer the person to one product, and as long as that person is using that product or service, you're going to be earning money. Okay, so this is actually extremely important, guys, because this is how you actually are going to increase your earnings with affiliate marketing. And if you're earning no money, okay, you need to build your ecosystem. Okay, this is what works. Okay, this is what works. This is a hit and miss strategy. Okay, you don't you don't need to sell them right away. You don't need to send them right away to the sales page. Okay, you need to capture their name and email. You need to be building an ecosystem with different products and services, and you need to build a relationship with them. Okay. So again, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Also, guys, there's going to be a link with my number one recommendation to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.